Aha! Yeah. Another Ichibansho figure for now. It's the Bulma and the Goku on a bicycle. Didn't get the Kuji. Because the Kuji was almost twice, 3 times as expensive as this one. I was really surprised. This one was a pre-order, came a bit later, but yeah, it's usually the same. So yeah, if you're looking for it, bad news. I think it's sold out almost everywhere, but I got one. So maybe secondhand, but expect like a quite high price to pay for it if you want it. Yeah, what is it to say about this? It's not a Kuji, like I said. It's the Ichibansho. And yeah, we're just gonna open it. I'm really excited to open this one. Oh, I already did that. Okay. There we go. I wonder how big it is, most likely. It won't be that big. Looking at the box, it should be quite nice. There it is. First impression. I'm impressed. Ooh, that's a lot of tape. Yeah. Thought I could do it like this. Apparently not. Maybe there's still something here. Oh, that's why. It's... So there's no assembly. Ooh, it feels quite heavy. Didn't expect that. Oh my god. I need to grab a cloth to clean it up. Oh my god, I'm seeing some stuff. Oh. Okay, I grabbed a cloth to somehow try to clean this using like a soft fiber cloth. Oh, see this, guys? I was afraid that whatever this piece of plastic, it looks like even a nail. What the hell? It was in the package, and I thought it might have been damaged. It's definitely brand new because it's the Ichibansho. I just bought it off a store, not some marketplace or anything. That's so weird. Did you guys ever encounter something like that? Well, let me know, because that's a little bit suspicious. I had once order of a capture device on Amazon. And yeah, I thought, let's try the second-hand stuff. Well, never doing that again. I got an older version in the box. And yeah, I sent it back. Took me a really long time before I got the money back. So don't buy second-hand stuff of Amazon. That's my message. On a marketplace, ooh, you see that there's some slight scratches still on it. That's weird. And if you look at the table, while I'm cleaning it, there are coming some kind of piece of plastic of it. I don't know what's going on with this one. And if you look at this... Okay, just be cautious. I'm curious. Does anyone else have this one? Did you experience the same? It's not a big deal. Okay, let's just go over to the figure showcase. Okay, and now for the review. Oh, I gotta be really strict with this one. It has a nice weight to it. So the bike, I think that's most of the weight. Because the figures, well, they're like nothing compared to the bike. I really like the design of Akira Toriyama and its vehicles. And this one is really nice. The first appearance of Goku and Bulma. We can see the purple gi he still has that later changed into a orange one. Yeah, and this looks just amazing. If I just the design, but then the production phase, I don't know what happened. I do like it that they try to make like some kind of effect on it. And here I go again. I see something again. It's like the plastic has been cut and they just put it directly into the box. That's kind of how it looks. But the effect, it kind of looks cheap. I wish they did something else with it. Yeah, it's supposed to resemble like Speed probably, that they're taking off. So overall, that's pretty nice combined with Goku. He's afraid. It was a very funny scene the first time. Goku, like a total alien to vehicles. He thinks they're some kind of monsters. And yeah, the tech kid, Bulma. But another thing what's kind of cheap is the front light. I think they could have added some plastic or something. They could have kept the color, but they cheaped out on it. And that's a real shame. Because if they did that, that little additional touch, I know they already put a lot of effort in it. Then if you look at the inside, it was more difficult to film, but pretty detailed. You can see the computer. Again, the face of Goku, the Bulma, you can see through the windshield. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's even amazing. I really like it. There's a minor scratch on it. So yeah, I'm kind of sad about it. There are several scratches over here too. Very minimal, but it is there. It shouldn't be there. It's brand new. And that's very disappointing. And there was one more point. Here, they tried to have a shade and some dirt, but it looks like they're all kind of dots. And so, what I'm trying to say, if you want to buy this one, just be aware that it might not be in perfect condition. Because if this is the new condition, if you buy it secondhand, there might be a lot of stuff with it. So make sure to inspect the pictures before you buy it. Oh, and one more thing. Yeah, the mirrors. I thought it was pretty lame. That it's just like the silver. It could have been at least like this silver paper with some reflection. You can do that your own, of course, but if you pay a lot of money for this one, it should be there. Well, if you liked it, well, let me know. Give me a sub, give me a follow, whatever, you know the drill. That would really help me, and then I can bring you more of these figures and try to help you, to manage your money a little bit better, so you don't buy at least damaged goods. For now, that was it. Thank you all for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys next time. Bye bye.